last year in December, I came down with Sciatica. I joined the QI Spine program in last week of January. My recovery in QI Spine in the last 8 weeks has been phenomenal. We started with the 3 days of cell therapy program, and thereafter I went on to do my back strengthening exercises. I learned some of these very simple techniques with which my leg pain started to reverse, as also my arm pain with the neck strengthening exercises. I was taught medical movement to do pain management, and therefore the USP of this program is no medication. I highly recommend this program to people who are suffering from chronic back pain or neck pain issues. Like I said, that the main highlight of the program is absolutely no medication, and by learning these techniques, one can actually take control of any chronic pain issues. So guys, happy strengthening. God bless. Thank you.
Call us at 080 352 16995 for first free consultation.